Have you ever seen those super stylish videos of kids walking down a catwalk? The way they confidently strut their stuff with such poise and charm is absolutely captivating. These kinds of videos are going viral on YouTube Shorts and TikTok right now. Take a look at the profile Little Classics. They have millions of views on every clip by uploading videos just like these. Today, I'm going to show you how to create your own viral videos featuring a baby walking the catwalk, just like the one you're about to see. I'll guide you through the entire process, from crafting the perfect prompts, generating images with AI, and turning them into share-worthy videos that will have everyone smiling. Let's pause here for a moment. Every video I make won't be exactly the same as the last one. Each clip will be different. Take a close look at my video, and you'll see how you can create your own videos that could even be better than mine. These types of videos will be as short as possible, never taking more than 5 minutes of your time. Now, let's get into the main part of today's tutorial. Just like any AI video, the first and most important thing is that you need to know the right prompts to create eye-catching images like this. I, like you, don't know exactly what commands the video creator used, but that's not a problem. First, you need to pick an image that you like from the video. After that, I use ChatGPT to create the prompt based on that image. Specifically, provide a detailed prompt for generating this image, including its key elements, such as the setting, main objects, colors, mood, and any other notable features. Be as precise as possible. ChatGPT will give you a detailed prompt, but it might not be 100% accurate just yet. Next, I need to test creating the image with the prompt provided by ChatGPT. To generate the image, I use Leonardo AI, which I personally believe is the best text-to-image tool available right now. If you're not familiar with it, feel free to try it out yourself. Now paste the prompt you got from ChatGPT into the image creation box in Leonardo AI. Select the latest model available. Phoenix 1.0 is my go-to. Keep the default settings for prompt enhancement style and contrast. Set the generation mode to Ultra for the highest quality. Adjust the dimensions to 9:16 and choose 4 images. Click Generate. Then check the image just created. I noticed that with Ultra quality, the baby's hands appeared more like an adult's, and the details were too sharp, making the image less cute. So I lowered the generation mode to quality and generated the image again. You can see that the image looks much better now. Next, I added image guidance to make the image even closer to the reference. To do this, click on the image icon in the top right corner, upload the original image, and set the strength to 0.5. Then, I adjusted the style to 3D render and clicked Generate to create the image again. Awesome. Now I have the image I wanted. So cute and captivating. Next, I want to create more beautiful images to diversify the style and gather more content materials. So, I asked ChatGPT for some inspiration by saying, create 10 more prompts with 10 outfits for kids. You can specify details about the style of the outfits, such as Christmas-themed outfits, festival costumes, cute dresses, and more, to give me a wide variety of ideas. I then used Leonardo AI to generate images for all the prompts provided by ChatGPT. As you can see, I've been able to create a collection of stunning images with different styles using both Leonardo AI and ChatGPT. If you find an outfit style you like, but the generated image isn't quite what you envisioned, don't worry. You can regenerate the image multiple times with the same prompt to fine-tune it until you get the perfect result. In Kling AI, click on AI Video. Under Image to Video, make sure you select Kling AI version 1.6. Then, upload your image. For the prompt, which is optional, I recommend using something like, the kid is catwalking toward the viewer as the camera slowly pulls out. In the settings, set the creativity to 0.5. Select Professional Mode for high-quality video, and set the duration to 5 seconds. If you prefer, you can choose 10 seconds instead. After that, click Generate. Now, all of these steps were done with just one initial image. You can repeat these steps with different images, allowing you to create a ton of beautiful content just like this. Afterward, I used Capcut, and within just 5 minutes of editing, I was able to make a video similar to Little Classics channel. If you love this tutorial, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let's continue creating viral content together. See you in the next video.